welcome back to my channel. Today is wash day. When I tell y'all I ain't washed my hair in like over a month, like I had some 6 braids going back and I just kept it in there and put it. Hey guys, so let's get started. So first I'm just gonna wet my hair with the water. And yeah, just get it wet, soaking wet. And as you can see, like I put my fingers through it, but then not really, because it's not really rinsed all the way. So I got the wide tooth comb and now I'm just slightly combing it out. Yeah, don't be as rough as I am. I'm a little rough, you know. I don't know why, but you could be more gentle with your hair. So, combing it out. After this, I'm going to rinse my hair again. Just to get the rest of that conditioner out. Yeah, the conditioner is going in my hair, or whatever product I have in my hair. Not conditioner, but yeah. It's going in my eyes, so I'm rinsing it out again. Making sure I'm getting it all out. As you can see, my eyes are burning, okay? Whatever was in my hair is burning me. I don't know. Yeah, I forgot to take my earrings out. I always take out my earrings when I wash my hair. And, I, wash my ears, wash the earrings. Yeah, so, yeah. So, I have the Head and Shoulders shampoo and conditioner for dry scalp, for dandruff scalp. Since I do have eczema, I have dry skin. I have dry scalp if I don't take care of it, and I do have eczema. So this here is going to be my first time actually using this conditioner to see how it works on dry scalp or with people with eczema. So far from this time I liked it, but my hair is up. As you guys know, I have a weave in my hair. So yeah. So after I scrub my hair a couple times, I'm going to grab the massage. I don't know what you call those little massager things, but that's just, it's like to help with get the dandruff out and massage your scalp. So I'm going to do my scalp with that. And when I tell y'all, that feels so good on my hair. But yeah. And then next I am going to grab some AVALON Organics conditioner. And I'm just going to scrub my hair again. And just so you guys know, I rarely ever use shampoo on my hair. I use shampoo a couple of times a year. For the most part, I will use conditioner because my hair will get really dry. So now I'm rinsing it out again. And I'm just going to do this process a couple of times just to make sure that my hair is completely clean. So yeah. And I'm listening to my song, so if y'all see me dancing and singing poo, that is my song. And you guys can kind of see my hair is kind of dry. You can always tell when my hair is dry by the way that it lays when it's wet. My hair is not laying right. But yeah, I'll show you guys a picture of what my hair looks like when it's actually moist compared to what it looks like now. I'll insert it somewhere in this video and in the next couple videos because yeah. And then now I'm gonna be the Organics coconut milk conditioner because I freaking love this stuff. So it's gonna be the last one I'm gonna put in my hair. Because I really like it. I normally leave a little bit of it in my hair at the end of the process. I'll rinse it out and then I'll just rub some of it through my hair. So as you can see, I'm just scrubbing my scalp and my ends with the conditioner again. Make sure you get it super clean. Super clean. Now I'm rinsing it again. One last time, I'm going to be using the Head and Shoulders for people with dandruff and dry scalp. Just because I said I'm trying this product, and I never just use one product, so but I'm gonna use this one more than the rest just because it is for dry scalp. So I'm gonna set the conditioner in my hair, put a scrunchie on my hair. Now I'm gonna go take a shower, so I'll be back, you guys. Let me just speed this on up. I finished my shower. I got my comb, my wide tooth comb, my brush, and my regular comb just apart. I'm gonna clean these off. I use a shampoo to clean my comb, brush, and stuff. You don't need to see this. But yeah, this is what I do. I use that, and then I use the Dove bar of soap to clean out those 3 items before I touch it on my clean hair, because yeah. And also I grab some of the conditioner and I'll soak my brush. Don't ask me why. I just feel like if my hair gets that kind of love, why can't my brush get that kind of love, okay? So I soak the conditioner on my brush too, so it could get all soft. Yeah. Now I'm gonna rinse my hair. Rinse all the product out of my hair. And then I'm gonna get the wide tooth comb after this process, and I'm gonna comb out my hair, and this is when you will really see how dry my hair is. Yeah, but you guys don't know what my hair looks like moist, so that's why I said I'm gonna insert a picture so you guys can see. And like you can even tell by the way like I'm having a hard time combing out my hair. Means it's dry. Normally like I'll use this comb and it'll just glide through my hair, but like it's so dry, like it's like not today, poo, not today. Yeah, and then I get out. I'm gonna take a t-shirt and dry my hair, and that is the end, poo. This is my wash day. And yeah, and those little pieces that keep sticking up, like I told y'all before, hater fought me, hater pull my hair out, and haters gonna be haters, okay? But it's growing back, poo, and that's all I can say. So for this video, I did decide to actually, because I really wanted to try out this new blow dryer that I got, the little comb blow dryer, whatever you call it. So I think mine's by Revlon, so I really wanted to try it. So I blew dry my hair out with that, and you'll see how the products look. It was really easy to use, but I do think I kind of rushed on it because like my hair normally, like when it's blow dried, it looks a lot bigger than this, and like it looks more fluffy. I don't think I really let it dry as much as I could have because I'm impatient and I be rushing, and like I just got issues clearly. But for the most part, I was actually able to blow dry my hair, which is something I'm not normally able to do. So that's super exciting. Yeah. And then I had to step away because people were ringing my doorbell. And yeah, act like I ain't got nothing to do. But I'm back. And yeah, I'm just telling you guys a little bit about it. And then I use the brand new hot comb I got. Normally I use the kind you put on the stove, but I wanted to try the plug-in kind to see what's the tea about it. Like, do this stuff work? So I really just wanted to get the edges or like that part area right there. But then I ended up not using it because like I really don't need it much. Like, now that I've blown my hair out, as you see, I'm barely gonna use it. Yeah, so I'm barely gonna use it. And then I'm just like kind of showing you like what came out. Nothing really came out. As a couple strands, which is actually pretty good. Yeah, my towel kept falling off, which is why I have this pig thing at the bottom, because I'm not going to be exposing myself. Sorry. Yeah, I'm not exposing myself. So then I just put some braids. I was trying to actually braid it all the way, like all the hair into one braid, but like I don't really know how to braid. And I was really shocked how good that braid came out. Like, if y'all know my braiding skills, y'all be like, sis did that. But I really did it. But yeah, so I braided the 2 braids, and I'm just going to put it back. Yeah, because I don't really know what else to do with myself. I was just so excited that I got 2 braids in my hair. But yeah, this is what my wash days looks like, and I'm going to wear my hair like this. I'll take care of it. I'll probably wet it throughout the week, like in a week. But yeah, thanks for watching my channel. If you like this video, please click, comment, like, subscribe, all of that. I love you guys. Have a nice day.